Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will show you how to quickly set up OTP message templates for secure customer authentication. So, let's get started. Head to the Setup module, click on Configuration, then open Setup OTP message templates. Here, you can create templates under two template types: default and retail sale. A template created under the default template type is generally used as a general-purpose OTP message. It serves as a fallback option whenever no specific template is defined. A template created under the retail sale template type is used specifically for retail transactions such as bills, discounts, and coupons. In this video, we will learn how to create an OTP template specifically for retail sales. We have created a designated template name along with a short name, configured it with an SMS URL, and drafted the message to be sent to the customer. In the Implement column, you can specify the module where the OTP template will be applied. In the earlier method, the system allowed setting a default OTP template through the sale voucher configuration. With the enhanced feature, OTP templates can now be configured directly within the Setup OTP Message Templates window. We will apply the OTP template across all modules one by one, review its setup, and then observe its functionality during billing. Let's proceed with the first module, Retail Customer Plus Company Groupwise Discounts. Now let's take a glimpse of its setting. To do so, go to Setup module, select Setup Accounts, then click Setup Customer Database, and open Setup Retail Customer Plus Company Groupwise Discounts. Select the customer for whom you want to configure the discount. Under Discount for, choose the level at which the discount should be applied, then specify the discount's time period. Finally, enter the discount values in the CD and TD fields and save the data. Let's observe its working during billing. Enter the customer details and proceed with transacting an item from the same brand to which the customer has been linked. Upon saving the bill, the available discounts window displays the scheme applied to the respective retail customer for a specific brand item. Select the scheme and proceed to save the bill. As you can see, upon saving the bill after applying a discount, the software sends an OTP to the respective customer's registered mobile number for authentication. Once the OTP is entered and verified, you can proceed to save the final bill. Now, let's return to the Setup OTP Message Templates window and apply the template for special occasion discounts. To configure this, go to the Setup module, select Setup Accounts, and then click on Setup Customer Database. Under this, open Setup Customer Special Occasion Discounts. Here, you can configure both birthday and anniversary discounts. We have already set up a birthday discount, specifying the valid days, discount percentage, and discount field. Next, let's observe how this works during billing. Enter the retail customer details. If the customer has provided their birthday information, input those details and proceed with the item transaction. Upon saving the bill, the available discount window displays the applicable customer birthday or anniversary discount. Select the discount and click OK. The discount percentage is then applied in the TD column. Let's save the bill. Upon saving, the system automatically sends an OTP to the customer's registered mobile number via SMS. The bill can only be saved once the customer provides the correct OTP. Moving on to the third module, Loyalty Card. Let's take a closer look at its settings and explore its functionality. To do so, go to the Setup module, click on Setup Accounts, then click on Setup Customer Database and open Setup Discount Slab Types. Here we have created slabs with short names. Next, go to Setup Discount Slabs, choose a slab, and enter its value with discount percentages. Now move to Setup Customer Discount Cards. Enter the card prefix, card number, issue date, expiry date, and either a discount percentage or discount slab. Save the data, and now go to the Edit Entry tab, click on Refresh, and all the cards we just created have been displayed. Now allocate the card to the customer and save the changes made. Move to the billing screen to observe its functionality. Enter the customer details. As observed, when we select the customer to whom the discount card has been allocated, the system automatically displays the loyalty or discount card along with its details issued to the respective customer. The available discount list displays the applicable loyalty discount card-wise discount. Select the discount and click on OK. A 7% discount has been applied after choosing the discount card. Once the bill is saved, the system automatically sends an OTP to the customer's registered mobile number for authentication. Let's implement the OTP template on the discount coupon. Let's have a glimpse of its setting and observe the functionality during billing. For the same, go to the Setup module, select Setup Accounts, then click on Setup Customer Database and open Setup Discount Coupon. Here, you can define the discount prefix along with the discount coupon number and specify the discount percentage to be applied. Set the validity period during which the discount will be applicable. Enter any additional details as per your requirements and save the data. Now, let's move to the Sale Bill window to review its functionality. Let's begin by entering the customer details and proceeding with the item transaction. Click on Discount Coupon to apply a discount. Enter the discount coupon number, select the appropriate coupon, and click OK. As observed, a 10% discount is reflected in the CD% column. Next, proceed to save the bill. Upon saving, the system will send an OTP to the customer's registered mobile number for validation and authentication. Only after the customer gives the correct OTP does the system allow the bill to be saved. Now, let's get back to the Setup OTP template window and implement the OTP template on the credit note and observe its impact during the billing process. Enter customer details and proceed with the item transaction. Now go to the payment option. Link the credit note to the bill and adjust the bill amount accordingly. After adjustment, proceed to save the bill. The system will then send an OTP to the customer's registered mobile number. Once the correct OTP is entered, the bill will be successfully saved. Now let's implement the OTP template on Employee Plus Company Group-wise discounts. Let's have a quick look at its setting. To do so, go to the Setup module, click on Configuration, and then open Sale Voucher Configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here you will find the feature labeled as Implement Employee Discount Scheme. Let's enable this feature. After enabling the feature, go to Calculation mode. Here, select the Adjust Unit field for the scheme adjustment. And make sure to tick as Use as %. Don't forget to save the changes made. Now, let's have a glimpse of the employee scheme setup. For the same, go to Setup Employees for the POS Discounts Schemes module. Using Configuration option, you can review employees based on their assigned group level. Now, go to the Setup Discount Schemes for the POS Employees module. We already have created a scheme titled New Offer, which is a discount plan assigned to a specific department, G1, which allows employees to avail a 5% discount with a maximum limit of 500 rupee per bill, 1000 rupee per month, and 10,000 rupee per year. Let's have a glimpse of its working during billing. Upon saving the bill, the system will display the available discount screen, showing the applicable employee company group-wise discount. Select the discount and click OK. The employee discount scheme has been applied successfully. After applying the discount, when you proceed to save the bill, the system will automatically send an OTP to the customer's registered mobile number. Only after entering the correct OTP will the system allow the bill to be saved. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.